Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Zamir. Today I have a surprise. Bang! We have a Lamborghini Aventador SV Roadster, red. Okay, it's a big model. See, it's a Lamborghini. Obviously. See the wheels right here. Nice, it's nice rims and wheels. And you look at the rims here. It's a nice lining here. And also the doors open, not all the way up, but look, like this. Here, just close the doors like this. That simple. And when you open the car, you see the inside of the car. See the steering wheel. We got the seat. We got the buttons, I think. But let's get out to the car. It has a nice hood right here. It's very smooth. Nice. And this car is also aerodynamic because it's pointy here. Right there. The wheels make a little bit of noise if you kind of. And there's these these things. For you can look at them. Look at this. These things are a little bit loose, so they're you can just move around like that. You can just fling them around like. I'm gonna try to see if I can see myself. I can't. It's too small. We see it has a red thing inside it. It's there's two of these. Two hoods or something. Got the mufflers right here that are nice. It's nice mufflers. We got 4 mufflers right here. Nice car. So let me see. We can see the logo on this car right here. On the rims right here. This is the logo right here. And then we're going to see how it moves. Test drive, yes boy. Okay. When you first drive it, sounds fine. Look. Sounds fine, and then it makes a noise. That is just irritating a lot. And then we got the big spoiler right here. It's a nice spoiler. And it's going up and then down. So in a curve, and then it's going in, down. Yeah. And then we got the lights, the 2 lights, and then the glass here. I always wish I liked this car. It's nice. It's red. Red's actually my favorite color. It moves nicely. But there's still a noise, so yeah. You can move it around like that. This is the Lamborghini Aventador SV Roadster. See? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Bye!